Hey Jeanette, my name's Craig and I work with Equilibrium Digital. I work with local businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And today I'm going to show you 3 things that you guys could be doing to boost your website and ultimately boost sales and customer base. I have found that by giving people a free plan of things that they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you and do it yourself, that totally works for me. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that'll set your company above your competition. So first thing I did is I took your website and I typed it into this tool that I use called SEO Quake, and it's showing that you have 384 words on that homepage. We want to get that number around 1,500. Google has released that their algorithms, when they crawl the pages, are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words of content on those home pages. That's just to make sure that they are matching people with what they're looking for with the most relevant website. The second thing I want to talk about is keywords and how important keywords are. So it kind of goes hand in hand with quantity, but it's actually the quality. So for quality, what you want to look at is you want to see that you're using quality keywords. So this is your website, right? And the keywords you guys have are fence, rank, defense, Preciado, sorry, I'm not very good at Spanish, projects, right? And I just typed in fence company, Pekin, Illinois, and this is one of your top competitors, Hoolan Fence, and I typed them in SEO as well. And they have 500, so not much more content, but look at the keywords they're using. They have fencing 28 times, fence 10, residential and commercial, Hoolan Fence, Fence Pekin, fencing products. So the way these work is Google just basically matches with the amount of keywords. They look at that and so that they can try to match people with what they're searching for in Google. Now the third thing and the third tip that I want to give today, and probably the most important, is backlinks. So we can see here that they have about 1,000 backlinks on their page with referring domains. And if we look at yours here, we see you have 6 and 5 respectively. So what are backlinks? Well, in simple terms, they're just a popularity contest Google uses to see how relevant your site is. Basically, if another website puts your URL or your website on their website and a link to it, that's a backlink. What it does is it gives your website power, and it tells Google that you have an important website and that your website should be used for whatever it's doing. So for you guys, it's obviously fence installation and fence repair. But if I was like a pool cleaner, it'd be pool cleaning. So you want to make sure these are quality. You don't want to go out and get like Pizza Hut or random spam blogs. You want to make sure you're getting quality backlinks because Google algorithms actually look at that. They want to make sure that whoever they're promoting to the top of their website search, their search engine, is actually what people are looking for. Because hey, at the end of the day, we all use Google for one reason. They're the best. So link juice is the most important. So in closing, we went over 3 tips today. First, we went over content. You want to get this to around 1,500 words on your homepage and boost that number up. It's the easiest thing you could start doing. Secondly, we went over keywords. You want to use keywords that your company wants to get found for more relevant. So, for example, fencing Pekin, fence contractor Pekin, things such as that. But with more, when you have 1,500 words, you'll be able to use it more than just 5 times or 3 times. Lastly, we talked about backlinks and how relevant backlinks really are. And one more thing, although we didn't discuss it, I'll just touch on this with the keywords. I looked at another tool, and this is just for Illinois. Fence company near me, 9,900 searches. Fencing installation, 16. Near me, 13. This right here is over 10,000 searches a month. And you guys are missing out on those by not having those and not using these SEO techniques. So, I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, if you implement the strategies we just discussed, you'll easily start climbing into Google rankings. So you can take all this information I provided you today and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route, you want to save yourself the time, and you want to see what other tools and strategies I have in my tool belt, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. Thank you.